And today, we'll be playing Minecraft.
We've cut it apart before it started.
No, I didn't. Frankie did. Guess what? Frankie has his chair. I don't know what he's doing.
Watching my YouTube channel.
Yes, on backwards.
Hey, don't judge.
On
Really
backwards.
relaxing.
No, it isn't. Think that's relaxing.
You should do a name reveal.
No, Jose. I'm just making a video. I don't know what to do. Shout out video. Shout out video. Shout out video. I don't know what to do. What do I do, guys? Tell me in the comments. Next video. Maybe I can just do this. Maybe I can just do this. Pig, 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 go free, pigs, go free. Pig, yeah. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Like, what should I do?
Be stupid.
How do you be stupid in Minecraft?
I don't know. Act like a retard or something.
I'm a robot with a gold sword. I am a
Let's listen to something.
or not. Well, I don't know what to do. Ooh, hey, a bench. I can camp right here. Nice camp. I can camp right here. I got a good team. So first we need to make a tent. Let's get our tent. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. What's this? Make a good mini. Let's just make a good mini. What the hell am I talking about? I don't know, guys. Do you know? Do you know? On adventure. Sail the way. What the? I think I can type in that one. Yeah. Come on. One more higher. Maybe it'll work. Okay, now it should work. Now it should work. Nice and good. Sure.
Who are you gonna call?
Welcome to a place. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom. This tent's good. Okay, let's make AJ's bed and my bed. Ew, Frankie's cutting them
No,
in
I'm
the
not.
video.
I'm doing it with my mouth.
There you go. Ew, you're spitting everywhere.
What are face cam.
Don't want one.
Are you finished yet?
No, little boy.
Herobrine.
Dun, 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 dun. Who's Herobrine is the baddest guy. Of course. That's what Frankie says.
Bop, 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 bop.
Don't copy.
I'm not copying you.
Can't copy me when I'm saying.
Copying you.
I know. I'm Paul. Come the frick on. What's glitching? Joined.
Wait, what? Herobrine! Herobrine! What the frick? Herobrine just joined the game, guys.
What the frick?
Oh, I
Scary.
think you should just end it. It's getting weird.
No.
Dude,
The
Herobrine.
people need to see this.
I thought Herobrine was fake. I thought Herobrine was fake. No, I'm not playing. I'm just texting.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm playing.
Dude.
Oh my gosh. Guys.
Guys.
I was just making a normal castle.
Ain't I sitting right here?
Herobrine.
Guys, Reeves even sees it. Ain't I just texting right now?
Yeah.
I am pulling up
Frankie's
right.
texting.
My God, I want to just watch you. I want to watch you. Holy moly!
And all the pigs are gone.
Oh, I just said 666. What the?
All the pigs are gone too.
What the?
Almost all the pigs are gone, guys. Holy crap, what's happening?
What the
hell is happening? I was just making my camp, and then this comes up.
I thought Herobrine was fake.
But let's get back to the camp.
No, don't. Just keep on investigating.
Okay. I need my fire. So what about I put my fire on, and it makes
Guys,
it makes a whole fire.
Guys, I thought Herobrine was fake. I always thought he was fake.
I'm gonna leave this and see a Herobrine let this on fire. It'll be weird.
Yeah, okay.
I'll come back soon, guys. I'll just look at these pigs and have fun. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hello. Didn't see that all there. Whoa, a forest fire! What is Herobrine doing, guys? What is he doing?
It says you must die.
What?
Reeve and me are going crazy right now. Yar and me are
A
going.
forest fire? I don't see my camp. It's on. Where is it? I lost it. Oh my gosh. What's happening? It's gone. I can't find my camp. Oh, it's glitching so hard. What did you do? Are you hacking?
I'm not hacking. I'm texting right now.
Dude.
Just look at my screen. I'm texting right now.
Oh, yeah.
Texting.
Watch me, Frank. Watch his videos. Where's my camp? It's gone.
I'm just seriously texting right now. Guys. Okay, I need to stop texting and start watching what Ree's doing. This video has been crazy. I've never thought Herobrine was real before.
Me either. Where is my cam? Gone.
See, look, I just got a text message. Hopefully you guys heard that.
Yeah.
We,
Oh my gosh.
this is crazy.
My cam's gone, Frank. Who messed it up? Kevin? Guys, should I end the video, Frank?
1 more minute. I think you
Charge my iPad for 15.
You mean your iPhone?
Yeah. Sorry guys, it's kind of glitchy because of Herobrine. Oh my gosh. I can't find my cam. It's literally gone and it's a whole forest fire.
Guys, I cannot believe
Wait, is that Herobrine?
that.
I see a name tag. That might be Herobrine. Get away him, get away. What's this? Oh my gosh, what's happening? It's nighttime and a lot of stuff's happening. I found Herobrine's name tag. I'm getting freaked out. I'm getting freaked out. I can't see. Good. I don't know. I need to get back in somewhere. Even there was dead Steve. What is Herobrine doing?
Dude, this is the awesomest thing I've ever done. I mean,
What the hell is happening? I'm not lying, Frank.
tell me in the comments. I mean, tell us in the comments if you saw anything else weird. This is not fake.
Herobrine spawned. Wait, no. It spawned a zombie, I think. One it spawned a zombie.
Yeah, he left the game. Oh, phew. He left the game.
He left the game. But guys, we need to end the videos on 12
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.